Before you buy a home security system, it helps to know that half of these are full alarm kits with door and window sensors, and half are really camera bundles that record an incident without stopping it. That difference, plus the monthly monitoring fee, is where most people get tripped up. To land on these 5, I ruled out plenty that lock you into a subscription just to save a clip, or that leave you blind the moment your Wi-Fi drops. Some fit a renter, some a larger property, some skip fees entirely, and by the end, you will know which is yours. Let's get into it. Starting off at number 5, the Blink Outdoor 4XR system. And this one is built for a very specific situation. You've got a bigger property, a long driveway, a detached garage, maybe a shed way out back that your Wi-Fi has never once reached. If that's the headache, this is the answer. The whole point here is that hub, the Sync Module XR. It runs the cameras on a 900 megahertz band instead of leaning on your home Wi-Fi, which is exactly why the cameras can sit far from the house and still stay connected. Blink says up to 1,000 feet in open air. Be realistic and plan around the 400 feet you'll actually get in a normal yard, with walls and trees in the way. Even at 400, that covers ground most wireless cameras can't touch. The part that genuinely sells me is the battery. Up to 2 years on the included lithium AA batteries. And that's the difference between a camera you set and forget versus one you're up on a ladder swapping batteries for every season. Now here's what you need to know going in. This is a 4-camera outdoor kit, not a full alarm system. There are no door sensors, no siren, no professional monitoring picking up the phone if something trips. It watches the outside of your home and pings your phone. For a lot of people, that's the whole job. But if you want an alarm that dispatches help, that's a different pick further up. One more thing worth planning for. The cloud storage is a free trial to start, and after that, you're either paying the subscription or dropping a micro SD card into the hub for local recording, and that card is sold separately. So this makes the most sense for someone guarding a big outdoor footprint who wants eyes out there without trenching cables. For pricing and details, you'll find it in the description. Now, if choosing between the whole yard and a clear shot of a face frustrates you, the next one won't make you pick. Moving on to number 4, the eufy 4K solar outdoor security cameras. And what pulled me toward this one is the lens setup. Each camera actually carries 2. An upper 4K lens for the wide shot, and a lower motorized lens that pans, tilts, and zooms to lock onto whatever's moving. So instead of choosing between the full scene and a close enough shot of a face, you get both at the same time. One lens watching the whole yard, and a second eye zooming in on the person walking up your driveway. That's what sets it apart from a plain fixed camera. Now, string 4 of these together through the home base hub, and they start handing the target off to each other. Someone crosses from the side gate to the front door, and the cameras stitch that walk into one continuous clip across zones. For a larger property with a few blind corners, that's genuinely useful. Here's the other half of why it's here. There's no subscription. Everything records locally to the hub, so you're not paying a monthly fee to hold onto your own footage. The hub ships with a modest amount of built-in storage, and if you record heavily, you can drop in a standard 2.5-inch drive to expand it. Plan for that if you want long retention. The power side is solar, a panel up top, and eufy says about an hour of direct sun a day keeps each camera going. But that's the condition to watch, direct sun. If your best mounting spot is a shaded porch or a wall that never catches light, that promise gets shaky, and you'll end up topping it off over USB-C now and then. One thing to be clear on. Same as number 5. This is outdoor camera coverage, not a full alarm with door sensors and someone dispatching police. It watches, it records, and it pushes alerts to your phone with radar and motion sensors plus a siren and warning lights to spook someone off the property. This is the priciest pick in the video so far, and you feel it. But you're paying for the 4K, the tracking, and no recurring bill. So spread over a couple of years, it stings less. If you've got real ground to cover and you hate subscriptions, this is the one to look at. If that sounds like your setup, the link's in the description. And if watching the outside still leaves you unsure the instant a door actually opens, number 3 is aimed right at that. Moving to number 3, the eufy 5-piece alarm kit. And this is where the video finally turns into an actual alarm. The 2 picks before this one were outdoor cameras. They watch the yard, they record, they buzz your phone. This eufy kit does the other half of the job. It guards your doors and windows from the inside. You get a home base, a keypad, a motion sensor, and 2 entry sensors. So the second a door opens while you're armed, the system knows and your phone lights up. That's the real gain over those camera systems. A camera tells you someone's already on your porch. An entry sensor tells you the moment they cross the threshold. And the keypad by the door lets anyone in the house arm or disarm without digging through an app. For a house or an apartment where the worry is doors and windows, not the driveway, that's the setup you actually want. getting it running is about as easy as it gets. The sensors stick on with adhesive, the keypad mounts to the wall, and you're set in minutes with no wiring. It's the same no-fee eufy family as the last camera pick, so there's no subscription over your head, and buyers keep pointing to reliable sensors and long battery life with barely any false alarms. Here's what you give up, though, the siren. This comes up constantly in reviews. The base station just isn't very loud, so treat it as an alert for your phone more than a blast that scares someone off the block. And the base has no backup battery of its own, so plan a power solution if outages worry you. There's also an optional paid monitoring service now if you want someone dispatching help, but out of the box, this is self-monitoring. It costs less than the camera systems before it, and for a value-focused buyer who just wants doors and windows covered without a monthly bill, it does that job honestly. If that's your fit, you'll find it linked below. That said, if a phone alert with nothing recorded behind it feels thin, the next pick is built around solving exactly that. Moving to number 2, the REOLINK 5-megapixel wired system. One number sets the tone here, and it's 10. Around 10 days of continuous recording, before the drive fills up and starts writing over itself. That's the part that pulls it away from the wireless cameras earlier in the video. Those grab a clip when something trips the motion sensor. This one keeps every camera rolling around the clock, and all of it lands on the 2-terabyte drive that ships already installed in the recorder. It stays in your own home. No monthly fee to keep your own footage. Same no subscription setup as a couple of the earlier picks, but here you're banking full days, not motion snippets. One buyer joked about being able to rewatch 10 straight days of their house doing nothing, and honestly, that's the point. When something actually happens at 3 in the morning, it's already sitting on the drive. The image holds up too. 5 megapixels is a real step up in sharpness over a basic 1080 camera, enough to read a face or a plate instead of guessing. The infrared night vision reaches about 100 feet, and this comes up again and again in reviews. People say the footage stays clear day and night. For a camera system meant to catch detail, that's the part that counts. There's a catch, and it's the install. Those 10 days of footage don't change the fact that this one is wired. Each camera connects over power over Ethernet, one cable carrying both power and video back to the recorder, which keeps things tidy but means you're mounting cameras and running cable through walls or eaves. It's about as painless as wired gets, but it's still best for a homeowner who's fine doing that, not a renter who can't drill. And there's the smart detection. The person, animal, and vehicle alerts that cut false pings from bugs and leaves need a firmware update first, so run that before you count on them. Bottom line, this is for the buyer who wants continuous local recording and sharp footage without ever paying a cloud bill. For a closer look at pricing, it's in the description. That leaves number 1. Everything so far can flag that something's wrong, but this one adds the part where someone actually acts on it. And taking the top spot, the SimpliSafe 11-piece Gen 3 system. Every pick before this either watched the yard or buzzed your phone. This one closes the loop. It catches the break-in, and it can get a real person dispatched to your door. That's why it wins for me. You get the full alarm hardware, base station, keypad, entry and motion sensors, and a camera. But what sets it apart is the optional professional monitoring, with no contract and no hidden fees hanging over it. With monitoring on, an agent can act on an alarm in about 5 seconds. And if you switch on video verification, they can confirm a real break-in with their own eyes, which can bump you up to priority police dispatch. That part counts, because a verified intruder gets a faster response than an alarm nobody can see. There's a live guard angle on top of that. During an alarm, an agent can actually see and speak to whoever's inside through the camera's two-way audio. Someone breaks in, and a stranger's voice starts talking to them through the camera. That alone sends most people straight back out. And I'd want the reliability side nailed down before trusting any of this. The base station runs up to 24 hours on its own battery and carries cellular backup, so a cut power line or a dead Wi-Fi connection doesn't leave you blind. That answers the question that actually matters here. What happens when you're away and something goes wrong? Setup itself is do-it-yourself. You plug in the base, place the sensors where you want them. No wiring and no drilling, so renters are covered too. The motion sensors reach across a room to about 35 feet and get along with pets under 60 pounds, handy if you've got a big dog wandering at night. My one reservation is a real one, though. The features that do the heavy lifting in an emergency, the cellular backup, the video verification, the fast intervention, all ride on the paid monitoring plan. The hardware is yours with no strings, but if you want that full response behind your alarm, it's a monthly fee. No contract, still a fee. And it's sold and supported only in the US, so anyone watching from elsewhere can rule it out now. So that's number 1. It doesn't just spot the threat. It can put a trained agent and the police behind your alarm without tying you to a contract to get there. If that's the peace of mind you're buying, current pricing is in the description. Now you've got the criteria, so you don't get burned by the first one that looks good. If you rent and just want your doors and windows guarded without a monthly bill, number 3 is the one for you. But if you want days of footage recording locally, number 2. And if you want a real person and the police behind your alarm, number 1. Updated links in the description. Prices keep moving.